Today our chef Hilal will
I'm not- I
cook
am like
something.
cooker.
Okay, assistant chef Hilal will cook something. I'm head chef. He's
No.
assistant chef, but
I'm
she's
kitchen porter.
kitchen porter. So you'll wash the dishes after.
No, let's see. I don't know.
Oh, let's see. Okay, so you are not kitchen porter. You are trainee chef. Okay.
Yes.
Not
Today
chef.
my training day. The chef said to me to mix all of things.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I can explain. They put chicken, lots of powder.
Lots of powder. What powder?
Doesn't
You
matter. You can put
it
whatever
matters.
you want.
It matters because people want to know. They want to know.
Okay.
They will
Garlic,
cook
ginger,
best. Okay. Next.
black pepper, a little bit lemon. We put salt and pure.
Puree.
Tomato puree.
Yes.
You can find in Aldi, Lidl, Tesco, everywhere.
For everybody. Yes. Okay, there is another chef chopping. So
They are thinking this is healthy, but it's not really.
healthy.
It's coming from heart. Look, what they give to me to mix it. What is this? It's not-
What do you want?
We need to use our hands.
Yeah, and then when you rub your eyes like this, you will cry
Why?
because chili powder inside.
I can wash my hands.
Yeah,
because
but that-
I'm hygienic woman.
Hygienic. She means.
Hygiene.
Whatever.
Hygienic.
Now this is gonna be marinated as well, and Hilal will do that for us.
Hello.
She will put everything here and marinate this chicken for tomorrow.
Okay, I will give K points.
What?
I don't like to remove the bone from chicken.
Okay.
Oh, everyone's shocked. Focus me. I don't
Okay, I
like.
think it's too much mixed now. We can start cooking. Can we? Here we have some
Yeah.
onions, carrots, and green pepper. We didn't have much pepper, so this is all we
Because
are
they are
gonna use.
poor.
Yeah, we are
They
poor.
don't have it. But if you want, if you have money, you can put more.
Yeah, you can
Of
put
course.
more. Yeah, depends on how much you want to eat, how much your belly is, you know. So you can put some chilies if you want, depending on how hot you want the food. What you guys gonna do is smash some ginger. We're gonna put the ginger garlic paste as well, but we need some ginger in the beginning. So what we're gonna do is oil. Now what you're gonna do is bay leaves, okay? Bay leaves, okay? Cumin seeds. Surprise! Ah! Red chilies, dried red chilies, okay?
Anyway,
Now what you do is
Now,
fry. When it's a bit hot, garlic, okay?
can
Yo.
I start?
Here.
My today was coming.
Don't focus there. See, garlics are fine. Now what I want to do is put the onions, okay? So onions now. Onions.
Yemek pişireceğiz. Bunları mı bekliyoruz?
So now you fry the onions with the thing. So you fry it,
Güzel
and now what you can do is just put some of the turmeric. Okay, so now salt time. What you do is put some salt. Put the gas on highest heat. Fry it a little bit.
Ben bu kadar yapıyorum yani. Galiba.
It will definitely give you a good smell, like fried onions. I can get up a little bit. And when you see the onions are brown, then you can add some, not very, because we already put in the chicken. So you can add some ginger and garlic paste. So this is not the perfect time. So when the onions get brown, then you put it. Bam. Hold on. Ginger garlic paste.
that's very.
But not very much because you already put in the chicken, as you remember.
You
Bam!
have to be the coordinate because.
Bam!
Like, maybe tonight,
And a bit of tomato puree.
Come on.
Not very because you already put in the chicken. Now we're gonna mix it. Mix, 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 mix. You will get a nice, delicious smell. Now it's time to add the chicken. And with the chicken, you can add the rest of the vegetables because chicken will take time to cook. But the thing is, I have some peppers. I'm gonna add at the end, not at the very end. End, you know what I mean? Otherwise, it's gonna be cooked really, really well. That's what we don't want. We want crunchy peppers. Now it's time to add the well marinated chicken. Go, 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 go. Done.
I'm leaving from this
Water.
this block.
She is actually not from here, okay? She's from Mars. And she's lost.
You can communicate.
So we are actually trying to find a way to send her home. So you guys understand, if you understand Turkish, you can understand him.
Cool. I
He
want
is
to be
saying
an
if you
engineer.
are female, you are from Venus.
I'm too stupid.
If you are man, Mars.
Okay, so
I
you
became a
are
programmer.
female, so you are from Venice.
This is general culture, baby. Sorry.
No problem.
Okay. You remember, she fooled us one time. So no bears. Liar. This woman liar. So the message of this video is never trust a woman.
Oh.
Yeah. She brought us to a place where we supposed to see bear, but we didn't see bear because she fooled us. She lied to us. If you didn't see that video, go ahead, click this link. I will put it here. The link. Click the link. It will take you to my previous video.
Take incest.
Fuck my life. Maybe it's my best photo.
Organizing data.
What you guys can do now is just put the rest of the vegetables in. I don't know what kind of can you this? Yeah. Put it in. Yeah. So I don't know what kind of dish it would be, but I'm sure if you cook this, it's gonna be nice. I'm sure, I assure you. Give it a try. So what we are doing now is we just fried the chicken a little bit. Now we mixed all the vegetables and we're gonna mix it, give it a quick mix. So when you're done with mixing, you can just leave it like this for few minutes, like 5 minutes. You can leave it like that and keep checking that it's not sticking with the pan. Alright, so it's been a while now. Chicken is kind of cooked, like almost 80% cooked. Now what we're gonna do is just put some meat masala in. If you want gravy, you can put some water and leave it in the water for a few minutes. But what we're gonna do is we're cooking rice here. So when our rice is boiled, we're gonna mix the rice with the chicken and make it like a chicken fried rice or kind of that thing. So we're going to fry the rice with the chicken. So that's why we are not pouring that much of water, because we don't need gravy. We're gonna eat the fried rice like dry. So that's what we are going to do now. So we are boiling some brown rice. So it's not the regular rice. You can use any rice you want. Alright guys, so here you can see our rice is cooked. Now we're gonna mix. We are gonna give it a quick mix, the rice and everything. And now what you can do is just put some soy sauce on the rice if you want, or if you want something different like stir fry sauce or something, you can add some. So this is how it will like taste different. So as I mentioned earlier guys, this dish has no name. Very less fat in here, so full of fiber because it's brown rice, and we added some vegetables as well, and some chicken breast only here. So this is a really healthy food for healthy people. Like if you're not healthy, you can still eat. And I think that's it. So this is how we are gonna eat this thing. Let me just taste it. Nice man. Nice, you should definitely try. But I burnt my tongue. Alright guys, so that's it for today, and so this is how you can cook some healthy and really good dish. So this is really good, healthy, because a lot of fiber, we used brown rice, a lot of protein, we used chicken breast, and we added some vegetables as well. You can add any vegetables, whatever you want. Like if you have a little bit of common sense, you can add anything. Just make it, cook it, eat it. If you like, give me a big thumbs up, like big or small, whatever. Just hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel and you want more videos like this. And let me know in the comment section, guys, if you like this food, if you like this video, whatever. Just comment, okay? See you guys soon in our next video.